I am going to reveal everything in my Rachel Zoe Spring 2019 Box of Style. And let me tell you, it is a good one. If you haven't heard of Box of Style, this will give you the feel of what you can expect. And if you're already a Box of Style subscriber, then just a warning, there will be spoilers in here if you haven't gotten your box yet. Hi, I'm Maria. I love bringing you positivity and inspiration in the most creative way that I can. I do fashion lookbooks, recipe videos, and home decor. So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that we can be friends. I did an unboxing and a review of Box of Style for my Winter 2018 box. So if you want to see more details on what Box of Style is, then I will link that video for you. It is basically a style and fashion box that Rachel Zoe curates with a few beauty and fashion items so that you can be ready for the season. And I love getting these because I always find something new to try out. This one has me all ready for spring, and well, let's just get right into this unboxing. This is the Edible Beauty Gold Rush Eye Balm, and it retails for $65. I always find out about a great product when I get a beauty item in my Box of Style. I was running out of eye cream, so I'm super happy to try this one out, and I've never even heard of the Edible Beauty brand. Have you guys heard of this brand before? It is a full-size jar, and it says it is for all skin types, and it will help in reducing puffiness while smoothing and rejuvenating the eye area. Sounds pretty good, and it smelled nice too. This is the Skin Gym Rose Quartz Heart Gua Sha, and it retails for $32. I got a Jade Roller in my FabFitFun, so this massage tool thing must be really popular right now. This one is supposed to boost circulation, and it's nice and small for traveling. They say that regular use drains puffiness and toxins while contouring and smoothing fine lines. And it's a natural way to lift and sculpt your face, and it even relieves jaw tension. It sounds like it has a lot of benefits for a little piece of rose quartz, so I'm excited to give this a try. This is the Michelle Campbell Gold Talon Bracelet Set. It is an exclusive item to Box of Style members. It retails for $215. They are dainty little gold bangles that can be worn alone or as a pair. They would be great for layering, and they are just a nice, simple, and elegant design. They're adjustable, and they're made with gold-plated brass and little white pave stones. This is the Tribe Alive Leather Clutch. It is an exclusive item to the Box of Style. It retails for $78. It's a sleek black leather pouch, and it can be used as a clutch or to store papers on your desk. I think this could be dressed up or dressed down, and it's just a nice versatile clutch. It's made of genuine leather, and it measures 9 by 6 inches. It's just really nice. This is the Chan Lu Silk Scarf. It looks like about 40 by 40 inches. It's an exclusive item to Box of Style members, and it retails for $105. This is 100% silk, and it's got a nice print on it. You could tie it around your neck, your head, your waist, wrist, or add it to your purse for an instant pop of color. I love the pattern, and it feels so luxurious. It's really springy and so beautiful. I'm super excited about this one. I think this is my favorite item in the whole box. So that was everything in my Box of Style. They are all high-end items, but the value of everything combined is much higher than the $99 I paid for the box. I hope you liked this unboxing and maybe you learned a little bit about Rachel Zoe's Box of Style. Make sure to check out my Winter 2018 unboxing if you want to compare what I got in this box to my last one. I also have a discount code if you're wanting to try this out for the first time, so I will link that in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.